Kid TV. Let's learn letter B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for banana. B for bread. B for bread. B for ball. B for ball. B for boy. B for boy. B for bus. B for bus. B for boat. B for boat. B for bee. B for bee. B for balloon. B for balloon. B for bicycle. B for bicycle. B for bag. B for bag. B for baby. B for baby. B for bed. B for